session bean example objects in Jakarta enterprise bean, so EJB. Here you can see session bean example objects. An example of session bean runtime objects is illustrated by the following diagram here. A client creates a remote cart session object which provides a shopping service using create method of the cart's remote home interface. The client then uses this session object to fill the cart with items and to purchase content. Suppose that the end user wishes to start a shopping session. Suspend the shopping session temporarily for a day or two and later complete the session. The client might implement this feature by getting the session object's handle, saving the serialized handle in the persistent storage and using it later to re-establish the access to the original cart. The following example, we start by looking up the cart's remote home interface in JNDI. We then use the remote home interface to create a cart. Create a cart session object and add few items to it. Next, we decide to complete this shopping session at a later time. So we serialize a handle to this cart session object and store it in a file. Finally, we deserialize the handle at the later time recreate the reference to the cart session object and purchase the contents of the shopping cart. Serialize cart handle store in a file. Deserialize from a file. Here you can see client is connected to cart and cart home. Cart and cart home interacts with container. Cart is connected to cart bean and cart home is connected to cart bean here. Cart bean is inside the container. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.